What's up, guys? We finally got the OM616 pulled out of the 240D Mercedes. We've got it on a stand. We pulled the transmission off of it. We pulled the accessories off of it for the most part. We still left the vacuum pump and the water pump on the front of it. We're gonna get this thing all cleaned and degreased before we get around to pulling it apart. We're also gonna change the oil on this. If you notice, it's a two-piece oil pan. It's got the lower pan and the upper pan. This upper pan's like a cast aluminum piece or something like that. Also, we'll go and show you what the transmission looks like and the accessories that we pulled off of it. You guys have to handle it good. Before you pull it out, let me.
Oh, my bad. I thought it was out.
Don't spray no right at that.
Winston. I said no.
Use a perfectly clean coat for some oil.
Yeah, we're checking the condition of the engine.
So you, what?
Checking the condition of the engine.
So you couldn't use one of the other oil pans that you had?
Because they're all dirty. We're gonna take this magnet stick, twirl around in that oil pan, and we will see if we find any contaminations or any chunks of metal. I'm sticking to that.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, I was like, what is going on in there? So far, nothing.
I'm not pushing it around, but.
Didn't find anything. There we go. We got the engine generally cleaned up. Most of the gunk is off of it. We should be able to work on it a whole lot cleaner now. We plan on doing a whole gasket kit on this and changing the timing chain tensioner and adjusting the valves in it if it needs it, and looking for any other general damage. We've already taken off the power steering pump and the alternator. They're back here. There's the power steering pump. And there's the AC compressor. There's the alternator. Here's some of the brackets for it. This is the itty bitty 4-speed manual transmission that came out of this thing. This thing is tiny. And it worked fine on the test drive, so I don't think there's anything major I'm gonna do to that. Here is the starter. For reference, that's a 3-pound hammer. That's a pretty big starter for a 4-cylinder. One of the engine pedestals right there. Clutch and pressure plate is pretty small. It's got this huge counterweighted flywheel, I assume because it's so high compression. This is the bell housing adapter plate. This bolts to the back of the engine, and then the transmission bolts to it. And if you haven't been keeping up, all of this is going inside our 1997 two-wheel drive Chevy Blazer here. There's no drivetrain in this right now, so whenever we get the time, we're gonna start cleaning up in here, and we're probably gonna paint this too before the engine goes in. But that's it for this video. Make sure like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with the Benzer build.